Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Happy New Year. Today we're gonna do just a simple dish, a simple pot, which is we're gonna do some curry chicken and some white rice. So we're not gonna do it the traditional way, which you put the curry in the pot and burn the curry or brown the curry, or some people they say. But I'm gonna show you a very easy way to do it, so your house don't smell like curry and your clothes don't smell like curry, and you don't walk around smelling like curry, like a plastic of curry or a bag of curry, a bottle of curry when you see people. So stay tuned.
Join me as I cook the most authentic Grenadian food. Delicious. Come along with us as we head to Grenada every year for a family vacation, where each adventure is going to be epic, from fishing to hunting. Come along. See you there.
So I just season up the chicken with the curry and everything in it. And just put it in the pot. When you put it in the pot, it will have the same effect. It will look the same and taste the same as when you burn the curry. So no, I'm not burning the curry, because when you burn the curry, it smells up your place, smells up your house, and it makes it takes 6 days. Everywhere you go around people, you smell curry. People can actually smell your curry outside. So yeah, this is how I do it today. We're gonna do just some simple curry, chicken, and some white rice. Stay tuned, watch the process. So put your oil to hot. I'm gonna cut up 1 gallon of clove in there, or 1 garlic cube in there. Just one. Now that your oil is nice and hot, then we're gonna throw in our chicken. See guys, that looking beautiful. Like I said, it has the same effect, taste the same, look the same as when you burn the curry or burn the curry, when you burn the curry. So I never like to burn the curry, because like I said, that's what it does. It smells up your house, smells up the place. Nobody will need to know that you're cooking curry every day. So after you put the chicken in the pot, stir it up, and you leave it a little bit before you add any water into it. Because if you add any water into it, you're gonna wash out your curry. So leave it for a little bit, keep stirring it so it don't burn at the bottom of the pot, and then you can add a little water. Me, I don't really like stir in my pot, because I don't like my chicken to break up in the pot. But I like to give my pot 1-2 little stir, then I shake the pot. Now I'm going to add my water, but I'm not pouring the water on the chicken. I'm going to pour the water on the side of the chicken. One spot. Because when you pour the water on the chicken, then you wash out the color. So I'll just pour it on the side and just let the water submerge. I just let the water come to cover the chicken. Now I'm gonna just let that rest and see how it turned out. There you have it, perfect curry chicken. So guys, that's looking really good already, like I said. And you cannot cook curry chicken and don't have some potatoes. So I'm gonna add some potatoes in there, chop it up small, and put it in there. So that curry recipe can go with anything. You can go with bananas and dumplings. You can also go with rice and peas. You can go with white rice. And most of all, you can also go with roti. You can also go with roti. So there it is, as you guys see, looking beautiful. Okay, amazing. And the best thing of it, my house, my clothes, my hair does not smell like curry. Beautiful. Now, you need to cover it. Beautiful. And if you cover it, of course, you know you'll turn your stove down or your fire down so it doesn't burn. And you don't have to change water, put water in it too often. It's looking beautiful, guys. It's looking amazing. Like I said, it has the very same effect as burning the curry. Very, very same effect. So there is no need to burn the curry and smell up the whole house. Put the curry in it and the chicken, season the chicken together with it, and drop it in the pot, and the perfect curry chicken. See it for yourself. Here's the color.